My name is Scott Goldstein. I'm a partner here at the Ankin Law Offices. It's really interesting how I got here, and maybe not so interesting in the same respect. I'm originally born in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I did undergraduate actually on the West Coast at University of San Francisco. Came to Chicago for law school, UIC Law School. I always tell this story to a lot of friends and family. The first day of law school, just like the first day of kindergarten, they ask you what you want to do when you grow up. And I think every guy raised his hand and said he wanted to be a sports agent. So then I think my dreams were crushed. In general, helping people is something that is sort of inside of me. My dad was a city bus driver actually in Milwaukee. He got involved in union work while he was driving the buses, and even actually probably before some, and then eventually became like the #1 person at the AFL-CIO in Milwaukee. My mom was a teacher at University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, and she taught English as a second language there. So had a good sort of working class type background. I saw an ad for Ankin Law Offices needing a summer law clerk. I answered the ad, and then from I think the first time Howard ever met me, he told me I was going to be his legal partner. There was only 2 or 3 lawyers here when I started. Howard's dad was a part of the firm, Paul Ankin. So I was definitely helping with the personal injury side of the office. That maybe only lasted maybe about a year or so. But then Howard sort of, I think, always had a plan that I was going to move over onto the workers' comp side of the office, and probably about a year into law school, he switched me over. I thought in this role here at the Ankin Law Offices, I came here knowing that maybe I could try to help people that are injured, and a lot of times some of our clients are of limited financial means, so to be able to help them and provide the legal help and support that they need, I think is always something that I cherish doing, and I try my best to help. You do something really good for a client, you get that inner sense of pride, so to speak. Let's say somebody hadn't received workers' compensation benefits in a few months, and you get the insurance company or their lawyers to pay our client their benefits. It's a good feeling. We have really good workers' compensation attorneys here. We're able to handle the volume and provide a really good level of customer service to our clients, and I think that really sets us apart from other law firms.